Hello everybody. I'm going to start this all over again. Okay. New project. Yes. Clear. Okay. What I'm going to do is we're going to go like this. We're going to go GNOME. Okay. Open this project. Intent 5 overrides is not in profile. I don't know what that is, but update CR10. We'll just do it this way. I don't know what's overriding, but we're going to just do it this way. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything or whatever like that, okay? So the first thing you do is you got that. That's what it looks like, okay? You got your different perspectives down here, okay? I like that view better. Click on the target. Select this button right here, okay? It comes in either like that. That's to move it. That's to go whatever, okay? I went 380 and I'll explain why in a minute, okay? Because we don't want to use a whole roll of filament, okay? All right, so then we're going to hit slice, and I'm going to show you why here in a second, okay? Oh, we don't want a skirt, we want none. So we're going to start slicing again. I did this, I've already did it once and stuff. Now, I used to be able to do the view as control plus, okay, and control minus. So you can see it, see how big it is. There's your printer outline right there, okay? 3 days, 1 hour, so I don't know why. That's standard quality. If we do low quality, support overhang, 15, wall line count, extruder, we want to discard the changes, okay? We want to slice it again. It was 2 days something, that's what I'm checking out now. Okay, 2 days, 4 hours, and 6 minutes, okay? So then we want to go top and bottom. We don't care about all that. We want to go back to standard quality, okay? We want to go down to 10% on the infill, okay? We want to go 210 and 50 on the material. And mine was set to zigzag this morning, so I don't know why I did that, but I'm going to keep it basically like it is. So that's all good. 210 there, okay? Speed, cooling support, the adhesion, we want none, okay? Then we want slice, and we're going to see what it comes up to. I don't know if I'm going to get 3 walls or 2 walls or whatever like that. I think it was like 2 hours and 6 minutes or something like that, but we're going to see what it comes up to. 2 days and 6 hours. I cannot see, but I'm going to dub this in and keep it going at 20%, I think. I don't know. But I do like this. That'll work. Okay, and the infill we put at, we'll do 15. Whoops. Whenever you get that caution light thingy, try it again. And we'll see what it does. This makes the inside of the model stronger. It's usually set at 20% default. And a lot of times if you leave these things default, it's pretty much better. What I don't understand is I got the infill pattern as cubic 2 hours and 10 minutes, okay? Just with that little thingy there, whatever it did, I don't know. I really don't know, but I'm not worried about it. I have the project saved, so. Anyway, that's where we're at, and that's how you do this. If it's 2 hours, 2 days and 10 hours, or 2 days and 6 hours. Hello, everybody. I'm going to do a 3D print today. I'm going to do a 3D print today. Where the hell are you here? There you are. Okay. I guess I'll sit down. How about that? I'm going to do a 3D print today, and I'm going to show you how to set this up and run it, okay? So basically, you grab your 3D card. I start with that, okay? This surface needs to dry and stuff, okay? The first time, and you make sure your clips are all on, alright? And then we're going to go and grab our stuff, okay? I'm hoping you can see this. I don't know. I need to probably, okay? Always remember to check the middle. But I'm going to let this thing record, and I'm going to edit it out as I go, because it's just too much of a pain in the ass to stop and start and like that, okay? Which is the go away middle finger gnome. Put your card in upside down, same thing on this one, but I'm doing the big printer, but all printers are done the same, okay? And then you stick your card in, power it up, go ahead and get your glue stick, okay? We use this glue stick, this is Elmer's Glue Kids Glue, okay? Washable, or whatever the hell it's called. I can't see it without my on thingy on there. Washable something glue, okay? And then this is going to be a big print, okay? But basically what you want to do is concentrate right on the middle, where you think it's going to go at, okay? And just back and forth. Now I do the printing here because if you do this when the bed's hot, you're going to pay for it. The glue's going to melt and you're going to end up too much on there. Okay, and it's just back and forth. You can see the glue being put on there, okay? And just the middle is what you care about. You don't care about the rest of it. And this is going to be a 2-day print, so you want to get it just right, okay? I'm making a big gnome for Halloween just to fucking do it because it's the sign of the times, okay? Now, then what we're going to do is we did that. We got to preheat it, okay? So we're going to hit this button. Can you see this? I don't know if I can bring this closer or not, but I'm going to try it. If I can get this out of here, okay? Let me get it over here closer. Okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to hit this button, prepare, preheat PLA, hit that one, okay? Then you're going to go in and you do this, okay? You're going to set these up. This is the older software, so it's when basically the cooler temperatures have hit everything. Okay, you're going to set this up to 210. That's what I print at, okay? Each printer's different. You have to figure it out. Dead, I'm going to go to 50. Okay, then we're going to go back, all the way back to the main screen. There you go, okay? Then I'm going to go like this and down a hair. Okay? And then we're going to zoom in a little bit. There you go. So you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. I can't tell if that's a good picture or not. It looks like it is from where I'm at. Anyway, we're going to let that thing preheat. It's at 189 and 40 degrees. Stick with the basics, but I'm going to try to do this sideways so we can make sure that this thing is flat. I take a quarter sheet of, what the hell are you? Sheet of paper, and I auto home it. Okay? It's under prepare, auto home. Okay? That's the first thing you do. The next thing you're going to do is disable steppers, which is under that same thing. Okay? So you got to learn your software. I need to go over all this, but this is my first one, so this is actually going to tell you how I do this, okay? To get you started. I need to vacuum all this shit up because we did whatever the hell we did. I don't know. Well, that's where I cleaned it up. You do have to maintain these things, okay? But those are going to be, anyway, push the button, prepare, disable steppers. That's important, okay? And it might help you bring your damn phone and play this again because this is all learned by me from the School of Hard Knocks, okay? Now what you're going to do, okay, if your printer's new, drop this thing all the way down. You screw them to the right to lower it because the threads go up, okay? And it lowers it. It's like this. Where are you at? You know, like this, okay? Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. If you tighten it, the bed's going to go down. You do not ever want this thing to scratch this bed. Never, ever, ever, okay? I'm pretty good right there, so we're going to tighten it up a hair. Okay? We need more. A little bit less. That's good right there, just so you can barely feel it, okay? Now what I do is I take this thing right on over with it, okay? You can go back to front or whatever like that. Probably easier to go back to front because you screw the wheels the same way. These over here, it's a little bit different, okay? That's good there, okay? We're going to go to the back, loosen it, okay? So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, okay? So we're going to loosen it to bring the bed up, just so it barely starts touching, okay? And then I'm going to show you a dumbass thing that I never used to do. This is where I stopped at, okay? Not the four corners, basically. Then you take it over here, okay? And you go like that. And that's touching there pretty good, too. Alright? This is the important part. See this blue shim? I don't know if you can see it. I had to shim this up because this, the glass is like this, okay? You can actually see it, okay? I don't know if the bed is or whatever. It doesn't matter if it's the bed or the glass or whatever like that. I printed out a shim and it's about ready for another one, okay? But you kind of just bring it on up and keep touching it. Make sure you're touching, okay? Right there I'm empty. Right there I'm empty. Right there I'm touching a little bit. Right there's a little bit. Right there I'm good, okay? So this actually needs a little shim. I don't know, about half or I don't know, half of that size. That's 150. That's 125 by 125. So I need about a 75 by 75 by 3 inches underneath this at some point in time. I'm not going to do this now because, well, I don't need to. Okay. And then after you get that ready, we're level. Okay. You go over here. Okay. Print from TF. Okay. Not under prepare, not under control. Print from TF, okay? I don't know why, but that's where the things are, because it's got print from card there too, but this works, okay? It's going to auto home. It makes all kinds of noise, because I'm not saying that's right, but this is how it's going to start, okay? And you sit here with it to make sure it puts out that first line there good, okay? It's squirting, squirting, squirting. There it goes, okay? It's squirted on the back end. I know you can't see it, but I can see it, and that's what matters. Okay? I do not have a skirt for this thing. I'm just printing, okay? We're going to see where it prints at. It's going to be a big print. I slowed it down to 380 millimeters because I put it underneath the part that matters. But right now it's getting a good line down. The part in the middle is going to be low. But those are just layers to the bottom and like that, so it should come out pretty good, okay? But that's how big our base is going to be. Can you see that? Maybe not, but I think I can zoom it in so you can see it, okay? Let's try that. Where you at? That middle point is the most important to get level. And yes, and I'll come back in and film that later, and then I'll do a one. And hello everybody. As you can see, I'm hoping you can see, I don't know. It's got to get where you can do it. We've got a good first layer, it's doing the second layer now, okay? And that's pretty much it. You just keep an eyeball on it. It's got a little bit of ruffles right there, but that's okay, alright? Check your temperatures, 210 and 50, and we're good to go, alright? Looking at grandpa bod, oh my god, I'm getting fat. Anyway, take care everybody. We'll catch you next time. Kevin out.